Did you know that you can use Adobe Express to edit PDFs? Simply click View All here at the top right to see all of the possible document formats in this nice pop-up. And you will notice this on the shown button here, Import from other apps. We're going to use this today, and they will inform you here on the right side all of the apps that are supported. And as you can see, PDFs as well. So let's try to drag and drop a PDF. And this is not a simple text-heavy PDF. This one got some backdrop color, graphical elements and stuff like that. So let's see that Adobe Express can handle that. Alright, they finished conversion. Now we can open this document. Here it is. Your PDF was successfully converted, and as you can see, my text is editable. So I can make necessary changes in this PDF document. I can even add new elements. So I can add brand new text box and type something else, or upload my signature and sign the document here. I can use the upload to simply upload the image of my signature and put it here somewhere if I need to sign PDF document, and then I can download back this new version. So click download at the top, and again we can download back this as a regular PDF. So that's how we can use Adobe Express to modify existing PDFs. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.